Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also that bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also in that same area, there is that thumbs up, and that's where you guys come in. If you enjoy the content that I make, and that I make so much of it, please take a second when you arrive to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Ones get noticed on this huge YouTube platform. So I'm thanking everyone in advance for the support of the growth of this channel simply by hitting that thumbs up. Okay guys, this is my favorite bag because this is where it all started for me when I moved to the States. And for me, this was one that I kept reading about, and I always wanted that if I knew I was going to be in one spot and not traveling and in the USA, this was the subscription that I wanted to get first. And it's what I did. So this is where I tell everybody, this is where I started, and I always recommend this is where you should start too, to find out if you like getting subscription boxes. What I like about the Glam bag is a few things. One, it is very, it's $15 a month with all the $1.99s and all of that in there. You get it free shipped to your door for $15. That's everything all in, and it is something that I enjoy. You get to choose one product, and you always get a fantastic bag that is different every single month as a bonus item. They promise you 5 deluxe sample sizes, but a lot of times you'll end up being able to either choose or you'll get in your bag a full size item, sometimes even more than one. So it is such a fantastic, fantastic bag of starting with IPSY. Also, you get everything else IPSY, meaning you get the add-ons, you get the flash sales, you get access to the shopper, you get access to being able to bump up your bag if you want the X. There's so many fantastic things that you will get when you invest and become a member of IPSY with the Enter bag, which is this $15 bag. So it is one that I always suggest that if you don't know where to start, this is where you start. So in this bag this time around, I also did add-ons, which I'm gonna do a separate video on because it's everything I'm wearing on my face is from that add-ons. And I also share with you from my stash from previous bags or boxes in that add-on video. So hopefully you'll see me in the same top and everything because I'm gonna be filming that right after we do this. So make sure to keep your eyes open. I love doing add-ons when they give bonuses, which they did. And I love being able to share with you that when we do our spoilers, as well as when we go through choice together. I love being able to share all that with you too on my channel. You usually get a card in the Glam bag. Sometimes you get the information inside, which we did this time around, but as you know, for me, I'm always prepared ahead of time, so I have all my notes here in reference to that. They're also mentioning in here that they also give you inside here what the actual size is if you're getting the deluxe size, and if you want the full size, what that price would be, which is fantastic. So I love sharing that information as stuff that I source, but when it's on the card, it makes it really, really fantastic. So this month, this is the cutest bag. And as you know on my channel, I've also been very lucky for over a year. I have been getting the IPSY also in PR. So we're able to not only go through all the spoilers and sneak peeks, but I purchased all of my bags and everything because I really, truly love IPSY and everything about it. So the sneak peeks that we get through the PR is good for me and good for you guys because we get to see in person the products up close. Usually, sometimes we get lucky where it comes in before choice day, which makes it even easier. So this is what the bag looks like. We got this and I shared it with you. It feels like a teddy bear. It is the cutest thing. And then the theme I shared with you also. I'd share with you when they develop the bags, when I find out who develops the bags, the inspiration behind the bags. I share all that information with you too, because that's stuff that I'm always interested in. I always want to know what's going on behind the brand. This here has a lining inside with the green, and the IPSY name is on this little pulley here. Like I said, this is a bonus item. They're different every month, and I love being able to share that information with you too. All right, so let's start with the first item that was chosen for me by IPSY is this one from Arthur Beauty. It is the Desert Rose Lip and Cheek Oil Satin in Harmony. This is a deluxe sample size. They're saying it is a lip and cheek oil. I apologize. I do not edit here. I do my best to film and share all the information here, but I don't have the time to edit. I always want to make sure that I get as much information in my videos as I can, and I share with you direct from the heart, or if I have the information here, we learn at the same time and we watch it back at the same time. So this one says, get the perfect desert flush with this nourishing lip and cheek stain. It is packed with jojoba oil, cactus flower extract, and it also will hydrate and help heal parched lips and cheeks that will give us that peachy glow. It says apply it on the lips as a hydrating oil, or you can dab it over your cheeks for that dewy wash of blush. They're saying this is a fragrance-free, cruelty-free, vegan, ethically sourced, and sustainable packaging. They're saying that Tila founded Arthur Beauty because they saw that the industry was missing sustainable, mindful beauty that delivers intense color payoff and long-lasting wear. So as I mentioned, this is the deluxe sample size. The full size of this would be an 8 ml at $24. So this little guy here, let me see what we have here. Yeah, wow. Even on the sample size, they have that little angle, which always makes it easier to take a product and put it on your lips. So let's just see, it's far more pigmented than I thought. I'm sorry, it has been such a long day for me, and I still have another video to do after this, but I apologize. I still also work, so I'm trying to always fit this in as best I can throughout the day. So this is what this looks like here. So use very, very little. If you are planning on putting this on your cheeks and not directly onto your lips, then what I would suggest is putting it on the back of your hand and then taking a stippling brush, because this is really, really pigmented. It does feel very sticky to the touch, so I think you would definitely need to put a powder or something over on it. I'm just gonna wipe this off because, like I said, this is very sticky and I don't want it to grab onto anything else that I'm gonna be swatching. All right, the next item that we have in here is one that I'm excited that they chose for me. This is from IT Cosmetics, and I have been a person that has been purchasing IT Cosmetics for at least 20 years. I got introduced to the IT Cosmetic brand through the shopping channels, and it was even when they first started with this concealer that was called Bye Bye Under Eyes, and it came in a tube this size. This tube that I got from them with that concealer lasted me, I think, for over a year, because you needed a pin size of it, and it really launched her entire line. So this is exciting because I think this is one of her newer products. It is called the Hello Results Wrinkling Reducing Serum in Cream. This is the deluxe sample size, but the full size of this is only a 5 ml. And I don't know if I mentioned this was a 3 ml. This is the deluxe sample size. It is a moisturizer. It says, say hello to gorgeous, glowing, and younger looking skin. This is a dual retinol cream. The full size of this is a 50 ml, and it would be $69. It says, why is this so special? It says, this baby contains both free and encapsulated retinol that will help penetrate 15 layers below the surface of our skin to aid in the cell turnover as well as our firmness. It also will contain niacinamide as well as vitamin B5 and 6, and vitamin E. It says to support a healthy protective barrier. It will help calm irritation and deeply moisturize our skin. It says squeeze just a pea-size amount only once a day, morning or night. It says be sure to use SPF during the day if you are doing it during the day, because you want to avoid any sun damage, and that's with any retinol product. They're saying this is clinically tested to help improve your skin's firmness to reduce the appearance of wrinkles. It says about the brand, with these clinical insights from plastic surgeons, plus ingredients and skincare expertise from dermatologists, IT Cosmetics creates problem-solving products that give you real results. I am so excited about this. So this did not come with a safety seal, which I'm really surprised with a brand like IT Cosmetics. You would think that they would, but this is what this looks like here. Like I said, I'm so excited to have the opportunity to try this. But with all skincare, what I find when we get it in these deluxe sample sizes, for me, what I find out is if I like the feel of it, if my skin likes it, that it penetrates well, if it leaves a stickiness behind, if I end up getting skin irritation from it, all of that I will learn from the sample size. In reference to results, with any skincare, unless you focus on one product and one brand, you will not be able to say this one product created these results in less than a month to 6 weeks if you use that one product alone. Those are my thoughts in reference to skincare. And that is why I love having the opportunity to try it in these deluxe sample sizes before investing either it as a choice item, using my choice on it for, you know, when it's available in pluses or X's, or if I follow this brand, which I do, they run sales on their sites as well. So once you fall in love with a brand from IPSY, you can also then go onto their website, sign up for their emails. And so when they have specials, you'll be able to have access to the products that we had the opportunity to try at such low prices. The next one was my choice item. And this is the one here. I also got lucky that it showed up in the PR box. So I'm gonna leave this one completely sealed, and this is gonna go into my gifts for later. But this one here is from ORZA. And we also had a couple of duplicate products because this was the first time ever that I got a PR base box from BoxyCharm. But as you know, on my channel, I pay for 2 bases and 2 premiums. So we had some duplicates in my actual paid fors boxes that I got. So there's a video that I will leave linked down below that I'm running a giveaway for those duplicate products from this month's BoxyCharm. I will leave that in the description box down below. So if you haven't seen that video you have to watch to be able to know how to enter. But in that video, I also share my thoughts and feelings in reference to a lot of questions that a lot of girls who are other creators in here that feel they weren't growing at a certain pace. I shared in that video my thoughts and feelings and some of the myths about having a YouTube channel. So if you're interested just in that and not in the giveaway, just watch that video. I just put the giveaway within that video. So this is the one that's from ORZA. I wore this on the day that we got the PR. I could not wait to put my hands in this. I share with you all the time about this brand because this quad we usually have available to us in the 350 section, but this is their full size. And the quality of the packaging isn't that great, but the quality of the products inside are over the moon. And I have almost every one that they've come out with and shared on the IPSY site. This one is called Nebula. It is a shimmer palette. Like I said, this is a $20 full size. And they're saying this is a super versatile, multifunctional eyeshadow palette that covers all your defining and shading needs when it comes to creating a fast, flawless eye look. The pigmented shadows are so blendable and smooth thanks to the mineral and clay infused formula that you will get intense color payoff without streaking or caking. They're saying using your favorite eyeshadow brush, layer on the shimmers all over your lids to create your own bright and shimmery look. The package is also 100% recyclable, and that's why they do this type of packaging. They're saying that ORZA also creates high quality rice-based products that are rich in moisturizing and protective ingredients like jojoba oil, sunflower oil, shea butter, and more. I am so impressed with this brand. Like I said, it is one that I enjoy so much. So this had 3 shimmer shades in it, but they were absolutely stunning, and then 1 matte in here. So you literally can use this one like you would a transition shade and then just put in these colors on your lids, and you have a beautiful, beautiful look. And those are all the shades there. Really, really beautiful. I'm telling you, I'm so impressed with this. And every time that this becomes a choice item, this brand, or it's available in the add-ons in the 350 section, I just cannot resist. So love being able to share that with you. All right, the next item that we got in this bag is from Polar. And this one is an Ice Pure Gentle Scrub, and it comes with Arctic Cotton. They're saying this is a deluxe sample size, which is huge. It's a 20 ml. They're saying this is a face scrub. It says, share your rough, dry, congested skin with this reveal and radiant, glowing complexion with the help from this gentle scrub that uses silica beads. It also has volcanic lava for a double exfoliation. It has Arctic cotton that is found in the wilderness of Scandinavia countries that helps detoxify your skin while soothing it with a creamy protective layer of hydration. They're suggesting twice a week massage a pea-sized amount onto your skin in circular motion, rinse well with warm water, and pat your skin to dry. It's great for all skin types. It's vegan and made of 91% natural ingredients. It says it's made to help save your skin in extreme cold. This is this brand called Polar. They're saying it has 2 A's because it stands for the Arctic as well as the Antarctica. It will quench and thirsty skin with ingredients that are found almost exclusively in these two harsh environments. I have a couple of products from this brand. I find this brand for me is more geared towards people that are more drier skin. For the few products that I've had the opportunity to try, this one I'm going to be passing along because, like I said, I've had the opportunity to try a few items from this brand. And the person I'm going to be passing it on is going to give me the review on it who has more drier skin than I do. So that is why I'm going to leave this, because it is also sealed. I'm not going to be swatching it here today. So this is this item here. And the next item came completely wrapped as well. And this is from a brand that I knew nothing about. So I'm excited when it is a brand that is newer to me, as well as newer to the IPSY that we get to try. And this is the one that's called Trifle Cosmetics. It is called the Lava Liner. And they're saying it is in the shade called Molasses. This is a full size. This is a $10 value. Now remember, this is all in a, we already had a $20 palette and a $10 liner. So we have two full-size products in a deluxe sample bag. That's what I'm saying. It is mind-blowing to me. So this one here is a liquid liner. They're saying it is a perfect winged eyeliner, and a cat eye looks are now at your fingertips. This liquid eyeliner is an ultra pointed precision tip that made in a cinch to line and define your eyes. Plus, the fast drying jet black ink stays on for all day, wearing that's water and fussy proof. It says shake well before use, place the tip of the liner as close to the lash line as possible. And then it also says using a small stroke, draw your lash line. It says it is 100% 100% vegan, and cruelty free. It says from their very first royal icing mattifying powder and marshmallow skin formulation, Trifle Cosmetics has always tried to infuse scrumptious ingredients into the formulations that not only work wonders for your skin, but that also brings delight and sense of indulgence to the entire beauty ritual. So let's see what this is all about. So this is what the liner looks like here. It feels like it's going to be a, oh, I didn't expect that. I thought it was going to be a stiff like brush, but it's not a brush. It's more of a felt tip, but it feels like a brush. Do you see how thick that line was? And that was just like unbelievable. So let me just try to use the tip so we can see if we can get a smaller line, which we can. I didn't expect that. It went on really smooth and really beautifully. So excited about that. And once again, this is a newer brand to me called Trifle. So if you know anything about this brand, or you've had other products that you've had the opportunity to try, please to make sure to share that in the comments down below. And because they said this is going to stay on, I'm going to do my best. Yeah, if I let this dry, this would have stayed on. Look at this already. So it is one that you don't have to worry that once you put it on, you're gonna not have to worry about having to take it off in the future. So excited to have the opportunity to try so many new products from this IPSY Glam bag. But what I'm really excited about is to film the next video where I get to share with you everything that's on my face. Not only the items that were in my add-ons, which is what I'll started this whole second bag, that is what I call my customization bag. That's how I choose my add-ons. And I ended up being able to do a full face. And then to top off the rest of my face, which I will share in that video, are all the items that we have received in previous boxes. So I'll be able to give you my thoughts and everything in that video as well. So make sure to keep your eyes open to that. It probably won't go up today. It probably will go up over the next day or two. I will do my best to get it uploaded and all of that. So for now, this is the IPSY Glam bag. And just to recap quickly, we had a lip oil, we had a retinol product, we had a full-size eyeshadow palette, we had a face scrub, as well as an eyeliner. I think this is a really fantastic, well-rounded bag. Like I said, I was able to pick something for myself that I knew covered the bag even before I got all these other products to be able to enjoy. Please share with me in the comments down below what your thoughts are on what I got in my bag. And if you're really happy with what you got in yours, make sure to share that as well. All right, take care everybody, continue to stay safe and well, and I'll see you all soon again in the next one. Bye for now.